Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw John Wick. Let's get started in the center of our page with the upper eyelid. So we move over to the left side. Starting from the outside, we're going to curve up and then back down on the inside. Let's leave a gap and draw the same thing on the right. So we're going to line up the inside of the eyelid, curve up, and then back down on the outside. Now from the inside, I want to curve in and then up. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath the eyelid. So starting on the outside, we're going to step in and draw a half circle, curving down towards the bottom. We're going to pull that up towards the inside of the eyelid. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving down and then back up. On the left side of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight. So just up against the edge of the eye, draw that circle. Line up on the right side and do the same thing. Let's fill the inside of the eye in black. Now we're going to move up and draw in the eyebrows. Starting from the inside corner of the eyelid, we're going to angle up and then out. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Angling up and then out. From the outside of the eyebrow, we're going to draw a straight line coming in to right about there. Now I'm just going to pull that down towards the inside of the eyelid with a straight line. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming in. And we'll angle down toward the inside corner of the eyelid. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. In line with the bottom edge of the eye, we're going to move to the center and draw the nose. So we're going to start on the left side, we're going to draw a curve, coming down and then back up. Now let's move down and draw in the mouth. Starting from the left side, we're going to curve up, down on the right. Now stepping down again, we're going to draw another curve in the opposite direction from left to right for the lower lip. Let's move to the side and draw in the lower part of the head. From the left eye, we're going to step out, curve down and in towards the middle. It's like drawing a half circle. We're going to pull that back up on the right side. Now let's go in and draw in the beard. From the top corner of the nose, we're going to step down, curve out, and then down. Just on the outside of the corner of the mouth. Do the same thing on the right, curving out, and then down. Now from here, we're going to curve out and up, aiming towards the eye. And then we're going to curve down again and up towards the side of the head. Down, and then up. Let's draw the inside edge of the beard. Starting from the corner of the mouth on the left, we're going to curve down, and we're going to pull that up on the left side of the lower lip. Do the same thing on the right, curving down, and then up. Let's move back to the side of the head. We're going to go up and then in just above the eyebrow. Start by going straight up, and then we'll bend that in. And then from here, we go straight up towards the top of the hairline. Now we're going to curve up and then down in the center point. I'm just going to pull that down right in the middle, and then go up on the right, and then back down. Let's move to the side and draw in the ears. In line with the upper eyelid, we're going to step out to the side of the head, curve up, round out the ear, and then pull that in towards the side of the head. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, curving up, rounding out the ear, and then pulling that in. Let's draw the inside of the ear. Starting from the side of the head, we're going to curve up and then out. Now let's go back to the center of the head. We're going to draw a straight line going up towards the top of the head. And then from here, we're going to curve up around the side of the head and then down on top of the left ear. Start by going up, rounding this out, and then coming straight down. Do the same thing on the right. Curving up, rounding out the hair, and coming straight down on top of the ear. Now we're going to draw some more hair coming down behind the head. Starting on the left earlobe, come down, and we'll just curl that out. Do the same thing on the right side. Now I just want to taper this back up and then in with a short curve. We're going to draw one more point. Starting on the left, we're going to come straight down, then out. And then we're going to pull that back up and in behind the head. Now that we completed the head, let's work our way down the body. We're going to start with the sides of the body first. So over on the left side, just underneath the head, curve out and then down. Let's move over towards the right side, curve in the opposite direction, towards the same height. Now from here, we want to curve down and in, just leaving a gap in the center of the body. And then from here, we go straight up underneath the head, going up with a straight line. Halfway between the chin and the bottom of the jacket, we're going to step in the middle, start with a point. We're going to draw on the top edge of the vest. From here, we're going to angle up and out toward the left. Go back to the center, we're going to angle up and out towards the right. Now from the center, we draw a short line coming down towards the bottom of the vest. Then from here, we're going to angle down and out towards the left, and then the right. Now let's move back up and draw on the collar. Starting underneath the chin in the center, we're going to angle down and out towards the left, and then the right. Now let's draw on the knot of the tie. Over on the left side, we're going to angle down and in. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Close off the bottom with a straight line. And then from the bottom corners, we're going to angle down and out in behind the vest. Let's move to the side and draw on the collar of the jacket. On the left side, we're going to angle down and out. Now we're going to pull this down and in towards the inside of the jacket. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the top of the collar. About halfway along this line, I'm going to angle up and out, short line. Now I'm going to pull that in and up underneath the head. Now in the center, we're going to step all the way down and draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down, leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, curve out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the heel, I'm going to curve down and up towards the toe on both sides. Now back on the left side, we're going to draw on the top of the foot. We're going to curve up. I'm going to pull that down, aiming towards the heel. We're going to stop right about there. Now I'm going to curl this up in the opposite direction towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving up, coming down, aiming towards the heel. Then we'll curve back up towards the inside of the leg. Now let's thicken up the sole. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just follow that all the way across on both sides. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the side of the leg. Starting from the corner of the jacket, we're going to step in, curve out, round out the leg, and then pull that in towards the top of the foot. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start about halfway down the side of the body, curve out and down towards the wrist. We'll line this up on the right, go out and down towards the wrist on the right. Now back on the left side, let's start with the thumb. From the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle, curving in and then back out. At the end of the thumb, we're going to draw a bracket. At the bottom curve of the thumb, we're going to come down and up around that bracket. Let's add 2 more fingers. We're going to step down, curve down and up the second finger. Now on the side of this finger, we're going to curve out, round out the side of the arm, and pull that in behind the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to start with that thumb, and then a bracket. At the bottom of the thumb, we'll curve down and up around the bracket. Step down, curve down and up the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around, up and in behind the head. And then the last thing we're going to do is add the cuff of the sleeve. Starting from the wrist, we're going to curve down and and then up towards the outside. We're gonna step up and draw that same curve. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the wrist, curve down and up, step up, draw that twice. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's John Wick. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.